We have just took the water main open right here on the middle of Ray Road in rush hour traffic. I was driving by and somehow heard ducklings chirping, and their mama duck was out in the road. So I went and got Scoville. We have got them out of the thing and saved the little ducklings. How sweet is that? Trouble is, mama duck is gone, so now we don't know what to do. But hopefully she'll fly back over here in a little bit. Mama duck is back. We're hoping she'll go in there and we can just trap her too. Here's another part of the saga. We have literally gotten her completely across Ray Road. Now here she comes. Her little ducklings. Her babies.
Just email me.
Here we go.
Pictures of mama, 'cause you're...
Here we go. All right, we've walked all the way over, stopped 2 lanes of traffic. 2 different times. We got mama duck literally a half-mile away in a pond over here. Look, here she comes, ready to see her babies. Oh, she's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and let them go here. Come here. Come on. She'll be up here in a minute. I hear her coming. Well, the ducks are going to the water. Hopefully mama duck does. Oh, there she is. We see her now.
Come on, get your ass up here, mama. There she comes. Come on.
There she is.
Come on.
Oh, looky there.
Oh.
Everybody's safe. Oh, ba-ba-bam. And that's the way we do it in the hood.
That's good stuff.